Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to review Link Dream wireless earphone. Okay, so this earphones is purchased from online website called Lazada here in Malaysia, and these earphones cost around 38 ringgit here in Malaysia. So let's take a look what it has inside the box. First of all, it has a extension 8, and then quick start guide in English, and has earphone, Bluetooth earphone itself, and some ear hooks and charging cable. So these earphones can last up to 24 hours talk time in a single charge, and music play time is up to 12 hours. So this is the most affordable earphones, Bluetooth earphones in the market right now. If you are willing to buy this, you are searching the product like this, then this is definitely the best choice for you. And thank you for watching the video. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and have a nice day.